Okay, in this question, we want to calculate the 2x2 and a 3x3 matrix. A 2x2 matrix is pretty easy. It would be, for this question, 3 times -5 minus 4 times -2. What we do here is multiply that diagonal. So 3 times -5 minus 4 times -2. And so what we're going to have is -15 minus, this is minus, so positive, so plus 8, and so we would get -7. So this is our first answer. And a 3x3 matrix is a little bit more challenging, and there's a couple of tricks to it. So for this, we would have a 2, this 2, we would draw a 2x2 matrix, and we go diagonal to the right, and we draw a box around these 4 terms. So 3, 2, 4, 3. 3, 2, 4, 3. And with 3x3 matrix, it alternates. So this is positive, next term will be negative, and the next term after will be positive. And so we chose 2 for this, and for the middle term, we will choose this 2. So we'll have 2, we do another 2x2 matrix, but instead, if you go right, you can't draw a box. So we go left and right. So we go left, 0 and 3, 0, 3. Then we go right, 2 and 3, 2, 3. We exclude the middle term. So our box is going to be 0, 3, 2, 3. And the next term after this would be plus 1. And by doing this, if you go diagonal, there's no terms you can draw a box. So you go diagonal to the left. So here, and you draw a box. So these 4 terms. So we would have 0, 3, 3, 4, like this. So just a recap. We first take this number, the 2. We draw a 2x2 matrix, go diagonal, 3, 2, 4, 3, like these 4 terms. Then we go negative, this number, 2. We do a 2x2 matrix again, this term, this term, this term, this term. So left, right. Then we go plus 1. Then we go to the left and we draw a box. So these 4 terms, 0, 3, 3, 4. And now we do the same thing as 2x2 matrix. So we would have 2 parentheses, So 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4 times 2 is -8. So we have minus 2. We do the exact same thing. 0 times 3 is 0, minus 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1. We have 0 times 4 is 0, minus 3 times 3 is -9. So 0 minus 9. And so we have 2 times 1, which will be 2, -2 times -6, so plus 12, plus 1 times -9. So we have 2 plus 12 minus 9. 14 minus 9 would give us positive 5. And this is our final answer. So this was our 2x2 matrix, and this was our 3x3 matrix. And that's all we need to do to solve determinants.